Welcome, folks. I hope you will enjoy the story. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.
Gozi, in this rain, you shouldn't have come. You are my best friend. Thank you. Amara, you ran off today. What happened? You're hiding something big. I can feel it. I just feel so overwhelmed sometimes, you know? But talking to you always helps me feel better. Ngozi, go home. I'm okay. Please, just let it go, Ngozi. I can't tell you. What is the fire on the roof, Amma? Tell me now. Since when do we keep secrets from each other?
Tell? If I tell, you will look at me differently. Everyone will.
Amara, we've been friends since kindergarten. Nothing on earth can make me turn my back on you.
Spill it, Amara. Talk to me, please.
Okay. I am pregnant and HIV positive. What? You are joking, right? I'm serious. This is no joke. I told you. Now you are scared of me, right? I am sorry. For this is, we are in it together.
Amara,
You are my best friend. Tell me, who is responsible for this? We both wanted to keep ourselves virgins.
Remember Dara? Who doesn't? So, it's that rascal!
Okay, Amara. How did it happen? The day the school won the game, remember? After we said goodbye, I went to get my bag and books from my locker. Congratulations, Dara. We won. You made the school proud. Always good at everything.
Thank you, but how else do I impress beautiful girls like you, Miss Future Doctor?
You don't need to impress me. Just face your studies and leave girls alone.
With you always sweeping all the A's in chemistry, algebra, physics, and biology, even fine arts, I can't but be good at something. I have to score with the girls, as I score the goals for the school. Well, anyway, thanks for the advice. I will take your advice on one condition. Date me and come to my daddy's party tonight.
That was hilarious! I am not sure about that, Dara. You are too much of a girl's predator. I don't feel safe.
Nara, please say yes.
Not so sure. Okay. Can I come with Ngozi?
Oh, are you crazy? Don't come with Nosy. You know she hates my gut.
I am not sure I can come.
Come on, Amara. I am begging you. Can I pick you up by 5 p.m.?
maybe I will think about it.
Invitation is just for you only because you are so special.
You are really a sugar sweet smooth talker. Ain't you, Dara?
Very few people. I was expecting a crowd.
My dad is very picky. You are here tonight because you are special. Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. You made it. It's my pleasure. Won't miss it for anything. A big congratulations to your son, who led his school to win the interstate school competition, even defeating the last champion.
Welcome, my dear friend. It's wonderful to have you here. Thank you, Mrs. Gehaxi. It's a pleasure to be here. Welcome, my dear friend. It's wonderful to have you here. Thank you, Mrs. Yusuf. It's my pleasure to be here.
Send the parcels tomorrow morning, and the check, of course. But please, enjoy yourself. This is absolutely delightful. We should do this more often. These little gifts for you?
Gifts? What for? Trying to buy me, are you? I am not sleeping with you and won't date you.
Are you so beautiful, but so difficult and too smart? I ask you just for one thing.
What is it?
I ask for just one kiss. To
Just
last
one kiss? Future matters to me, Dara. I can't take a dangerous risk. I know what you want. The last thing I remember now, I am pregnant. Amara, you goofed. You kiss a man alone in his bedroom? I was the world's most stupid girl. If you give a man a mile, he will take 10. Men will do anything for sex. When a man buys you gifts, while you are thinking, what a nice guy. All the time, he is thinking, how soon can I get her into bed? Many of them are fake love. All they want is sex. I don't put it behind that Dara. He thinks can do anything because his father is rich. He gave you a drink. Now you can't even remember anything. He can't get away with this. He has to pay. Anyone who messes up my best friend messes up with me. He just stepped on a viper.